we're going to learn how to draw a cougar. I do apologize, this program works really fast. Please feel free to pause when you need. Begin with simple shapes like circles and ovals to get the basic shape of the body, and then you can build your outlines on top to develop the form. The form is when it's going to be three-dimensional. Take an eraser and lightly erase those guidelines, and then you can add more of the details on top. Wrap your details around those simple shapes to give it more of the three-dimensional quality. I also recommend adding a little bit of texture here so you can add zigzags and different textures of hair. Darken up the facial features with more contrast, and this is going to make the face more of a focal point. When you go to add in the sky, it's going to be darker at the top and lightens up as you approach the horizon line, which is the opposite for the ground. It's going to have more contrast at the bottom of the page.